And this is Dash, and he's Zippy's friend. Sweet little guy. He's just small. Gwen, stand beside him. Then we'll get her. Look how, and Gwen's 5 feet exactly. And he's 4 feet at the head, I guess. But he sure is a cute little guy. And he's good. He's a good boy. Oh, there she goes, kissing the horses again. Where's my kisses? Oh, jeez. My life story. Okay, I'm getting jealous. Oh, that's enough. I can't take no more. And there's Zip over there, the little escape artist. He escaped. He wanted to be with his friends, the big horses. And there he is. And how did he escape? And how did he get in there? In this fortified fence here. It's electrical. But he don't care. He goes right under this wire here. And that's only about 18 inches right there. But he crawls on his stomach and goes through. He don't care. He wants to visit. See you later there, Zip.
You ready?
And this is Spice. He's our guard dog here at the apartment. He's security. He's doing a good job. Here, Spice. Here. I got a cookie for you. Okay, you gotta sit nice. There you go.
So how are you guys?